Hey everyone! Welcome back to channel today. We're counting down the top 5 vacuum cleaners of 2025. The perfect picks for spotless homes, pet owners, and anyone who loves that fresh, clean feeling. Whether you're looking for something cordless, powerful, or budget-friendly, I've got you covered. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the description below. Let's jump right in. At number 5, we have the Monzga MV3 cordless vacuum cleaner redefines effortless home cleaning with cutting-edge innovation and style. Powered by a 400-watt brushless motor and 45 ecopascal suction, this lightweight vacuum tackles stubborn dirt, pet hair, and fine dust on carpets, hardwood, tile, and more. Its Auto Boost technology ensures a deep clean every time, automatically enhancing suction power for tougher messes. With a 6-cell rechargeable battery, enjoy up to 50 minutes of runtime, perfect for whole home cleaning without interruptions. The Feather Swing anti-tangled brush roll effortlessly captures long hair and pet fur while preventing wrap-ups, making maintenance simple. The LED touch display gives real-time control over cleaning modes, battery status, and block alerts for smarter operation. Designed with comfort and hygiene in mind, the MV3's 5-stage washable filtration system traps 99.97% of microscopic dust, ensuring cleaner air and reducing allergen buildup. Its green searchlight reveals hidden dirt, while the self-standing 180-degree lie-flat design lets you clean under furniture with ease. Stylish, powerful, and efficient, the Monzga MV3 is more than just a vacuum, it's a modern cleaning companion built for every household. Next up at number 4, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum Cleaner NV356E combines powerful suction with smart versatility, making it one of the most trusted choices for deep home cleaning. Equipped with lift-away technology, this vacuum easily transforms into a portable cleaner, perfect for tackling stairs, furniture, and hard-to-reach areas. Designed for allergy and pet owners, it features an anti-allergen complete seal and a HEPA filter that traps 99.9% of dust and allergens, ensuring a cleaner, healthier home. The brush roll shutoff function allows seamless transitions from deep carpet cleaning to gentle hard floor care. With swivel steering, you can effortlessly maneuver around furniture in tight corners, while the extra-large 0.87-quart dust cup provides extended cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. Ideal for homes with pets, the NV356E effectively removes pet hair, dander, and debris from carpets, upholstery, and hardwood floors. Lightweight yet durable, this 13.7-pound upright vacuum comes with essential attachments including a crevice tool and dusting brush to handle every cleaning task with ease. Stylish in white silver, the Shark Navigator NV356E delivers exceptional performance, flexibility, and long-lasting reliability, your ultimate partner for spotless living. Coming in hot at number 3. The Dyson cordless vacuum cleaner delivers exceptional cleaning performance with its 580-watt high-efficiency brushless motor and 48 kPa ultra-powerful suction. Designed for modern homes, this lightweight stick vacuum effortlessly removes dust, pet hair, and stubborn debris from carpets, hardwood, and tile floors. Its advanced 8-stage filtration system captures up to 99.99% of fine particles as small as 0.1 microns, ensuring cleaner air while maintaining suction power. The addition of aroma tablets at the exhaust outlet leaves your home smelling fresh after every clean. A thoughtful touch for everyday comfort. With a rechargeable 29.6 volts battery, the Dyson vacuum offers up to 70 minutes of continuous cleaning, letting you tackle large spaces without interruption. The anti-tangle brush head prevents hair wrap-ups, while the self-standing charging dock makes storage and recharging effortless. Built for versatility, it converts easily into a handheld vacuum for cars, stairs, and upholstery. Combined with HEPA filtration, multiple attachments, and whisper-quiet operation, this vacuum provides the perfect blend of power, flexibility, and convenience. The Tsurupa 580-watt cordless vacuum is your ultimate all-in-one cleaning solution. Sleek, smart, and built to keep your home spotless every day. At number 2, we have the Eleckeys K10 cordless vacuum cleaner delivers next-level home cleaning with its upgraded 580-watt brushless motor and 48 kPa ultra-strong suction power. Engineered for performance and convenience, It effortlessly removes dust, debris, and pet hair from carpets, hardwood, tile, and furniture. Featuring a smart LED touchscreen, the K10 allows easy mode switching and real-time battery tracking for an intuitive cleaning experience. The 2200 mAh removable battery provides up to 65 minutes of runtime, while the self-standing design lets you pause anytime without leaning or docking. Perfect for pet owners, the V-shaped anti-tangle brush and LED floor light reveal hidden dust and prevent hair wrap-ups. The 7-stage filtration system captures 99.99% of microscopic particles, ensuring cleaner, fresher air in your home. A spacious 1.8-liter dust cup and one-button emptying system make cleanup quick and hygienic. Designed with comfort and flexibility in mind, the K10 easily converts into a handheld vacuum for cleaning cars, stairs, sofas, and tight corners. Backed by a 2-year warranty and premium customer support, the ElecKeys K10 combines innovation, power, and elegance, making it the perfect all-in-one cleaning solution for every household. And our top spot goes to the Alloy Move Azo 3 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, is a powerful and lightweight cleaning solution designed for modern homes. Featuring a 450-watt brushless motor and 45 kPa turbo suction, it easily lifts stubborn dirt, pet hair, and fine dust from all floor types. With 3 adjustable suction levels, you can customize power for every surface, ensuring efficient and thorough cleaning throughout your home. This vacuum offers an impressive 60-minute runtime with its high-capacity, removable lithium battery, perfect for cleaning up to 2,700 square feet. The 1-liter large dust cup and one-touch emptying system make maintenance quick and mess-free. Designed for versatility, it comes with multiple attachments, including a crevice nozzle and pet brush, making it ideal for cleaning carpets, cars, and furniture. Weighing only 1.3 kilograms, the Alloy Move A3 is easy to maneuver and features a 270 degrees rotating brush with a green LED headlight that reveals hidden dirt. Its 6-layer filtration system ensures cleaner air and prevents secondary pollution. With quiet operation, anti-tangle technology, and a freestanding design, this cordless stick vacuum combines convenience, performance, pep, and durability backed by excellent customer support and a 2-year warranty. So there you have it, the top 5 vacuum cleaners of 2025. Which one's your favorite? Drop your pick in the comments below. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the description below icon for more product reviews and home tech guides. Thanks for watching and staying spotless, friends.